This is an email from Chad in Fort Myers. He said, I filed a Chapter 13, but I have a friend that I really want to pay back. Can I do that after the bankruptcy is filed? That's a great question, and it's a question I answer probably 3 or 4 times a week. Everybody has that certain someone that they have to file bankruptcy on. Or when you file bankruptcy, there's somebody you always want to pay back. Like, I really don't want to file bankruptcy on this doctor because he was really good to me. Or, you know, I have my aunt who I borrowed money from to start this business venture, and I don't want to file bankruptcy on her. Folks, I've said it once, I said it 1,000,000 times. Whenever you file bankruptcy, everybody goes in. Anybody you owe $1 to goes into the bankruptcy. You have to list all your creditors, all of them. Now, when you get your discharge, the legal obligation to pay that debt has been removed. In other words, a creditor cannot go to court and sue you on that underlying debt if it's been discharged. So what happens? Let's say you really want to go back and see that doctor. If I was you, I'd call the doctor up or go to the doctor's office and say, look, I filed bankruptcy. My bankruptcy attorney said I had to list this debt, so I did. You got notice of it. You know I got a discharge in the bankruptcy. However, I would like to continue to pay on this debt. He can't ask you for the money, but you can pay it voluntarily, just like you're probably going to pay back your mom and dad or your brother or your sister. Again, there's nothing legally wrong with that. I've heard of several stories of people who've paid back everybody after they filed bankruptcy because they felt that was imperative for them to do. I think that's fine. I have no problem with that. What I want to do is remove the legal obligation so that you can get your fresh financial start. You can begin to rebuild your life financially, emotionally, as well as looking forward and saying, hey, I want to go out, and if I want to repay these debts, that's your right to do it. You can do it if you want to. You don't have to if you don't want to. Personally, I don't know if I'd want to pay the debt collectors who were harassing me, who said nasty things to me, or who were just downright rude. So if they're being rude to you, they do it at their own peril. Okay? So that was a really good question.